Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to get a refund on Cnfans in 2025. Whether you made a wrong purchase, got charged unexpectedly, or simply changed your mind, don't worry, I've got you covered. Stick around until the end so you won't miss any important details. First is open your Cnfans account. After opening, click on your account. Now here, click the contact mail. In here, click the plus icon. After clicking, you will fill up some information why you want a refund. After filling up, click submit. Now you will go in the customer service support. Click the add button and add the picture you want to be refunded, and lastly click submit. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to request and secure your refund on Cnfans in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.